I've got a glitch in my head. Hook me. I've got a glitch in my head. Hook me up with your lips, heal my body with your kiss. You play tricks with my head, but you're everything that's fitting me. I've got a world to show ya, I wanna know ya, but time is moving way too fast. We gotta stop, we're speeding, freeze this feeling, and maybe we could slow it down. Yeah, I feel the love from your heart is hitting me. I wanna stay to be yours for eternity. Don't let the feelings go away so rapidly. The clocks will never surround us. We could be timeless. We could be timeless. Yeah, we could be timeless. We could be timeless. Yeah, you're so beautiful. I can't help myself, I stare. Love is filling up the air, so incredible. I can only see myself with you. We gotta stop, we're speeding, freeze this feeling. Maybe we can slow it down. I've got a world to show ya, I wanna know ya, but time is moving way too fast. Yeah, I feel the love from your heart is hitting me. I wanna stay to be yours for eternity. Don't let the feelings go away so rapidly. The clocks will never surround us. We could be timeless. We could be timeless. Yeah, we could be timeless. We could be timeless. Yeah. This is timeless. This is timeless. So maybe we should slow it down. I feel the love from your heart is hitting me. I wanna stay to be yours for eternity. Don't let the feelings go away so rapidly. The clocks will never surround us. We could be timeless. We could be timeless. Yeah, we could be timeless. We could be timeless. Yeah, I feel the love from your heart is hitting me. I wanna stay to be yours for eternity. Don't let the feelings go away so rapidly. The clocks will never surround us. We could be timeless. We could be timeless. Yeah, we could be timeless. We could be timeless. Yeah, we could be timeless.
This dance is called Timeless. It is a 4-wall, 32 count, improver level line dance, choreographed by Gell. This is my dance. Weight is on the left, 7, 8. Rock forward on the right, recover, left. Right coaster step. Step forward on the left, make a half turn pivot, right. Make a half turn right, stepping back on the left foot. Make a half turn right, stepping forward on the right foot. Easy option. The easy option is walk left, walk right. Weight is on the right foot, now facing 6 o'clock. Rock the left foot to the left side, recover, right. Left sailor step on the spot. Right sailor quarter turn to the right. Weight is on the right foot, now facing 9 o'clock. Step forward on the left, make a half turn pivot right. Weight is on the right foot, now facing 3 o'clock. Walk forward left, walk forward right. Harder option is make a half turn right, stepping back on the left. Make a half turn right, stepping forward on the right foot. Make a quarter turn shuffle left. Weight is on the left foot, now facing 6 o'clock. Rock back on the right foot, recover left, right, kick and cross. Rock the right foot to the right side, recover left. Right sailor quarter turn to the right. Weight is on the right foot, now facing 9 o'clock. Step forward on the left foot, make a half turn pivot right. Weight is on the right foot, now facing 3 o'clock. Left shuffle forward. Weight is on the left, ready to restart the dance. The count of the dance. Weights on the left, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. In this dance we have one tag. The tag is danced after wall 8 facing the front wall. Wall 8 starts facing your 9 o'clock wall and you'll dance the tag to the front wall. This is the tag. Weight is on the left. 7, 8. Step right foot forward, make a half turn pivot left. Step right foot forward, make a half turn pivot left. Count of the tag. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you so much for watching.